Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I was actually going to use these two, so we'll just delete these. And then go to this. I like using photos. So as you can see, these are my photos. Nothing about my face. Haha, thought I had to do a face reveal. Oh no. Okay, so I would use one that on an image that I found online. Just go like, put text in that, and go like BBB. And if you're a guy that doesn't use Google Translate that much, you can just go on to Facebook when you Photoshop this and go like, I use Google Translate for the first time when it's Photoshopped. Yeah, that'd be quite easy. Okay, so now I'm going like, wait, what if I want to take a photo of something? Well, there is an option for photos, and it's like your usual photos. And I already got one, so let me show you that. And now I just gotta look from the library. And then it immediately just go like that, then immediately just put whatever you want. I'll put boarding sandals. And then boom. You're done. Bye, see you back in another video.